How to clear a paper jam in the HP OfficeJet Pro 9720, 9720E, 9730, and 9730E wide format all-in-one printer series. If, during a print job, your printer stops feeding pages and a paper jam error message displays on the control panel, you might be experiencing a paper jam. Follow these steps to troubleshoot the problem. After each step, try to use the printer again. If you encounter the same issue, continue to the next step. Step 1. Clear a paper jam from the input tray. Pull out the input tray and completely remove it from the printer. Check the gap in the printer where the input tray was. Remove any jammed paper. Reinsert the input tray into the printer. For HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 series, there are 2 trays. For these models, repeat the same process for the second tray. Step 2. Clear a paper jam from the front of the printer. Note: do not turn off the printer when there is a paper jam in the front of the printer. Open the cartridge access door. If the print carriage is not obstructed, move the print carriage to the far right of the printer and remove any jammed paper. Then move the carriage to the far left and remove any jammed paper. Close the cartridge access door. Step 3. Clear a paper jam from the duplex area. This step only applies to 9730 series printer models. Pull tray 1 out of the printer completely. Press the buttons on both sides of the output tray to remove it. Open the duplex door located above where the tray was by holding the center and pulling it towards you. Remove any jammed paper. Lift, push back, and close the duplex door. Insert the output tray. Insert tray 1 back into the printer. Step 4. Clear a paper jam from the rear of the printer. Turn to the rear of the printer. Press the 2 tabs on the rear access door to open the door. Remove any jammed paper. Press the 2 buttons on the paper path cover and pull the cover out of the printer completely. Remove any jammed paper. Insert the paper path cover back into the printer. Close the rear access door. Step 5. Clear a paper jam from the document feeder. Lift the cover of the document feeder. Pull any jammed paper out of the rollers. Close the cover of the document feeder until it snaps into place. Lift the document feeder tray. Remove any jammed paper under the tray. Put the document feeder tray down. Lift the scanner lid to check for jammed paper. If any is located, remove it. Step 6. Reset the printer. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.